from the latter centuries BC onwards, prior to contact with Rome. And the dense nexus of permanently settled villages doesn't conform at all to the testimony of the ancient sources, which tended to depict the Garamantes as barbaric nomads. Moreover, the density and sophistication of oasis settlements in the Garamantian territory raise question marks about the presumed start-up date of other Saharan oases. The map here highlights some of the main groups in southern Tunisia, where the origin can be traced back to the Roman era at least. Since the dating of these sites is largely dependent on diagnostic material culture, this is more likely a question of visibility rather than actual foundation dates. These oases occur in many areas occupied by the people defined by the ancient sources as Gaetuli, who are widely represented by modern scholars as exclusively nomadic. The evidence relating to the Garamantes can thus be supplemented with other examples that support the idea of more generalized, independent urban evolution in the Sahara, predating Phoenician and Roman contacts with and interventions in these societies. Well, I'm going to finish quickly by just referring to what I'm thinking of as pathways to urbanism in North Africa. So those yellow symbols indicating that those coastal Libya-Phoenician, a coastal Libya-Phoenician tradition of urbanization. We've got a small smattering of red symbols, probably many, many more examples could be put on there, representing an inland Numidian tradition. But increasingly now also we can add a large number of oasis settlements attested by different forms of evidence to at least exist in the Roman period. And I want to finish with a couple of models which seem to have disappeared from my presentation, so I'll finish there. We can discuss the models later.
Luckily, we have a 30-minute discussion planned towards the end of this session where we can dig out the models. What do you think?
Something on the lodge.
So our final speaker in the first session on urbanism and urbanization is Dr. Khorasan Fenech, who's getting mic'd up as we speak, of the University of Leicester. Khorasan is a familiar face to many of us here at Brown. After completing her degree at Stanford University, she held a one-year postdoctoral fellowship at the Tchaikovsky Institute last year, before taking her current position as a Lieberkühn Fellow.